So, hello, Amanda Czosek coming to you from Guardian Wealth Advisory Group. And here is a look at really what's happened in the markets over this last week. The big story was the jobs report and all of the data that came in surprisingly strong. What we found is that the economy had added 172,000 jobs in May, more than double what was expected. Now, generally, that is kind of considered good news, right? Well, what we found and what we saw is that markets didn't quite see it that way. And what happened really is that the Fed is watching both inflation and employment when deciding really where to set interest rates. With jobs this strong, plus prices still elevated due to the cost of oil, the Fed may have less reason now to cut rates. In fact, some analysts are actually wondering whether a rate increase could now potentially be on the table. That uncertainty, it pushed the 10-year Treasury yield back above 4.5%, and it triggered a really big sell-off due to all of these issues as we kind of closed out the markets last week, particularly in the tech and chip stocks. Meanwhile, the situation in Iran remains unresolved. Markets have largely moved past it, but it remains still a very important variable worth watching. So we know short-term volatility is always going to be part of investing, but we will continue to keep a very close eye on these events and how they might have an impact on your overall financial plan. We will be back in your inbox next week with another market update. Take care.